Extract this wallpaper zip file. Link is in the description. Click Set as Desktop Background. Right-click then go to View and uncheck Show Desktop Icons. Open Chrome and search Rainmeter Download. Click on Download. Double-click the exe file. Install Rainmeter. Unload all skins. Open Chrome and search Mond skin download. Don't go to other links, only click the DeviantArt link. Open the RM skin package and click Install. Select Media Player as Spotify. The clock is on your choice and choose the weather as Celsius. I will choose the 12-hour clock. Move the widgets to position you like. Now open Chrome again and search TranslucentTb. Don't click the Microsoft link cause it won't load. I tried it. Click the up to down link. Extract to desktop. Turn on desktop icons for some time.
TranslucentTb has many options to customize taskbar. I will choose the clear one. Download RoundedTb. And it's done. Now enjoy.